And Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be good. Dear students, I want to share a good saying with you, which is, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. For example, you can help the needy person by sharing your things with them. So let's start our lecture. Open your junior English book and page number is 19. Dear students, today's our topic is collective nouns. So let's see what is collective noun. Dear students, a collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. Now let's see some examples. A herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies. Dear students, the words herd, flock, swarm are collective nouns, and these words used to refer group of cows, birds and flies. Let us look some more collective nouns. Number 1 is a pack of dogs. Dear students, the word pack refers a group of dog, and pack is a collective noun. Now next example is a school of fish. School is a collective noun which refers a group of fish. Next example is a bunch of keys. Bunch is a collective noun which refers to a group of keys. Next example is a class of students. Class is a collective noun which refers a group of students in class. So dear students, after watching the example, now let's start our lecture. Dear students, on the left side of our page we have list of collective nouns, and with the help of this list we will fill our exercise. Now let's start. Number 1 exercise is write the missing words. We have to write the collective nouns in these a dash of cutlery. Dear students, now let's find out. A group of cutlery will be canteen. So answer will be a canteen of cutlery. Now number 2 is a dash of corn. Now let's see, bundle of corn will be called sheaf. Dear students, bundle of corn or wheat cereal is called sheaf. So answer will be sheaf, a sheaf of corn. Now number 3 is a dash of friends. Dear students, a group of friends will be called party. A party of friends. Now number 4 is a dash of elephants. Now let's see, group of elephant will be called herd. A herd of elephants. Now number 5 is a dash of flowers. Dear students, number of flowers will be called bunch. So answer will be a bunch of flowers. Now number 6 is a dash of thieves. Group of thieves will be called gang. So answer will be a gang of thieves. Now next is a dash of books. Dear students, number of books will be called library. So answer will be a library of books. Now next is a dash of bees. Group of bees will be called swarm. So answer will be a swarm of bees. Dear students, next we have group names, and what we have to write the name of objects. For example, a school of dash, school of whales. A group of whales will be called school. So answer will be a school of whales. Now next is a team of dash. Now let's find out team of, we can see here, team of oxen. A number of oxen will be team. So answer will be a team of oxen. Now number 11th is a shawl of dash. A number of, next word is a suite of dash. Dear students, now let's find out what will be the suite of dash. Suite of furniture. We can see here suite of furniture. Dear students, suite means a set of furniture.
So answer will be a suite of furniture. Now next is a herd of dash. Now let's find out from the list what will be the herd of dash. Yes, we can see here herd of cows means group of cows. So answer will be a herd of cows. Now number 14 is a troop of dash. Let's find out what will be the troop of dash. Yes, we can see here troop of monkeys. So answer will be a troop of monkeys. Now number 15 is a litter of dash. Now next is a litter of dash. Now let's find out a litter of kittens. Dear students, litter means a number of young animals. A group of number of young animals will be called litter. So answer will be a litter of kittens. Now number 16th is a group of dash. Now let's find out what will be the group of dash. Yes, we can see here a group of musicians. Dear students, a musician is a person who plays a musical instrument. So number of musicians will be called group of musicians. Answer will be a group of musicians.